What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a Mercedes-Benz C45s AMG that I'm wrapping in TeckWrap China Blue. This is the high gloss TeckWrap vinyl wrap, which has the pet liner, and already did the front end. I'm gonna show you guys real quick this front side. So what you're seeing right here specifically, you may be thinking it was easy to do. It was not. It was a challenge. I had to remove the whole bumper, had to remove all these little grills and everything. That made it a little bit easier, but then also made the wrap look a lot more professional. When it's tucked in, it looks more professional as opposed to just, you know, cutting on the headlight, tucking it in like most people do. I don't like that. So everything had to come off. I went all the way in there very, very nicely. Everything looks good. And then these canards, you can remove them from the bolts right here. They're not from the inside, so just unscrew it. That's it. And that's how you get the whole front bumper finished. Now all that's left is basically both quarter panels, both rear doors, and then the rear bumper, and that's it. I was thinking about leaving those door handles like this, but then I realized from a different angle, the side skirts, I wrapped this part in China Blue and then this bottom piece exposed gloss black. So I thought, what's better than just to, you know, maybe copy this over here, the two-tone, and I don't know, you guys, it's looking really good. Of course, we will only be able to tell if I finish this side and then show you guys. There you guys have it. Did both quarter panels and both rear doors and the door handles. And you guys can see now, it looks really good. So now we just gotta put the trims back on. Just gotta snap them in there. There we go, there we go. Looking good. Of course, I removed these trims. You could tell because of how deep it goes over here, and also right here you guys can see. So yeah, looks really good. Looks really good. Slowly finishing her up. Tomorrow I'm gonna get the rear bumper on, and there she goes to the owner. There you guys have it. It is all finished. Let's go around and check out the color and overall what I did. So basically, of course, everything has been removed. This, that. Oh yeah, and the door handles I'm gonna show you real quick so you can see how it looks. This is why I love TeckWrap, because they put pet liner. Pet liner is basically what you see, the reflection. There you go. Looks really good, honestly. I'm proud that it turned out really nicely. So there you go. Looking sick, huh? Now the color, bro, is a good choice. Two-tone. Right here.
Yeah, bro, it's nice.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the door handles look better like that.
They do, huh? Two-tone, I'm telling you. Because if we did all black, I don't know, it'll leave out the side skirt. So that's why we did the two-tone.
Clean once you get the other shit back on there.
Oh yeah, and yeah, you got more stuff like the splitter. There you go.
Yeah, damn, this is crazy.
There we go. Looking clean. Alright guys, that's it for this car. Like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys in the next video.